Assalamu alaikum. I am Saifa Ajmeri Mohana, ID 16 CSE 010. Thank you so much for having me. I am delighted to be here and I am so happy to be sharing it with all of you. So let's get started. My presentation topic is first aid kits. First of all, have a look to the presentation outline. Here is introduction, motivation, objectives, methodology, and so on. Introduction. First aid kits are collection of supplies and equipment that are used to give medical treatment. First aid kits are designed to manage all types of injuries like basic cuts, scrapes, burns, and so on. Motivation. If you ask me from where I was motivated to work in this field, then my answer is we see small injuries can become big injuries, and accidents are also unexpected. First aid kits make safe our life and reduce risk with its sudden medical treatment. There are some objectives behind the application. First aid kits application will reduce the risk of complication and it will reduce wastage of time and money. Tour lovers will be able to know the current weather condition, possible illness, and will be aware of prevention and cure of it through smart suggestion function. I used this language to design the application in front end. I used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. In backend, I used PHP, and for database, I used MySQL database. Methodology. Before starting any application, there must be a clear methodology of about the application. In figure 1, we see this is ER diagram. That means entity relationship diagram. It consists of different types of here we see entities, relationships, and attributes, and so on. In figure 1, we see first aid kits have both register customer and admin, and both have some attributes. Register customer places order to buy products, and register customer does payment through offline, and payment has money receipt. Money receipt have some attributes. And register first aid kits also have admin. Admin have two attributes. Admin handle confirm order and deliver order. Admin also add products which has category and category has category name. That's it. The next topic is use case diagram. In figure 2, we see registered customer can view product, order or pay through offline and can visit smart session. Whereas user only normal user can only do registration. Admin use case diagram. Here we see admin can add or delete product, confirm order or deliver order. And register in figure 4 we see that register customer places order, admin receives the order and confirm and deliver order, and the register customer pay through offline. This is the use case diagram for order. And this data flow diagrams are about registration, login, and add product. We see here operation enters into registration form if the information are valid, and that means if it is yes, then registration will be successful. If not, registration will be failed and it will back to the registration form. Figure 6 and figure 7 are all the same. I created these database tables for the application: login table, product list table, product order table, and smart session database table. The next topic is implementation. I would like to explain it from my project. I used Jam server and I started Apache and MySQL. And this is the local host. This is the database table, first aid, a login table, product list table, product order table, and this is illness cure table. Okay, uh, this is the main page of this is the main page of first aid kits application. Here we see I designed the logo using Photoshop, and there are some information about why first aid kits are important. And this is sign in page. I registered previously, so I will just log in here with my username and password. Just click on submit and it will enter into the main page. In the navigation bar, we see there are some menus. In kits, there are home kit, sports kit. We see here collection of sports kits, different of sports kits. And there are travel kit, home kit, first aid bag, safety equipment, and also new wearable products, information about how to use. This is quick order page. And okay, if you ask me what is new in this application from the other application, then my answer will be smart suggestion function. It is for tour lovers, it is very much important. Just enter into smart session. Okay, here we see I signed in Mapbox and open weather, and I used two API. I used Mapbox API for word map and open weather API for weather status and temperature update. In the search box here, you see I will just insert any place here like Saint Martin Island. Okay, here it is. And now we see that there is a temperature update of Teknaf, and their weather status is clear sky, and this is the map of Teknaf. It will take few seconds, and we see the weather of now the weather of Teknaf is normal heat. The possible illness will be irritability, dizziness, muscle cramps, and so on. Possible prevention will be this: maintaining a healthy body weight, and there is a suggestion about illness cure. Okay, let's another try. I'll search here like Istanbul. Here it is, Turkey. Okay. You see that the temperature update of Istanbul is 12.45 degrees Celsius, and it is clear sky in Istanbul, and weather is normal code. This is possible illness prevention, and there is a suggestion of illness cure. This will be very much important for any tour lover, and it will make a tour very enjoyable and safe. Okay, I will now, if any customer wants to buy any products from here, like he wants to buy any products from biohazard protection, he will just go enter into it. We all know that in current position, mask, sanitizer, hand gloves are very much important. Okay, he will just to buy it, just right click on it, open in new tab. It will go into order page. Here we see product ID is extracted. Quantity will be inserted like 4. Okay, click on order, and it will go money receipt page, which will give product name, quantity, price, total price, all of the details. If he wants to cancel order, he will click. Customer wants to cancel order, customer will click on cancel order, and if customer wants to buy, then he will click pay now. He will choose one of them, and he can choose bcash payment or cash on delivery. Suppose he will choose bcash payment and input his phone number here, and after that he will click on enter your number, and it will be added in admin panel. To enter into admin panel, the username is admin panel username is admin, and password is pass. Click on submit. Where you see, this is the admin panel. This is the cancel order list, who canceled the order, and this is the bcash payment list. Here you see this is the username and the product ID, total price, and phone number I inserted. This is cash on delivery list. And there are also a function about admin add product. Admin can add products from here with valuable information. Okay, that's all about my project. There are some limitation of first aid kits application. Online payment is not possible as it is designed in local host in local server. Um, uh, uh, and we see that there are some future work here. Survival bed will be added to make our life more secure, including online payment process to make order more easier. I would like to conclude my presentation. Smart session is highly applicable for the appreciable for the tourists to bring condition based kits to to make save their journey, and it is reasonable to conclude that the ultimate goal of the first aid kits is neither to treat nor to diagnose, but to stabilize the patient. Thank you so much. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you all enjoyed it.